one actually made a lot more money than exiting out contracts.
Hmm.
So that's why I don't take partials anymore because of the test run.
Interesting. Yeah, I
Yeah.
noticed that. You're definitely not a scalper. Like scalping. I mean, you do scalp sometimes though, right? You sometimes I hear you scalp for
Yeah.
majority of your
It,
trades.
it it's like it really varies. Like if we're really choppy or like the direction is kind of iffy, but my model is presented, I will get out. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't kind of like when I was trading with Max. We both saw the same thing. The buys were very clean, but I understand that like once I got to that 1 to 4 because it fit my model, the buy, and we hit one of my areas, which was a possible reversal area. I was like, oh shit, we're gonna short from there. And I can tell just by like looking at the candles and how they're printing. And funny enough, Max and I both took the sell. So like I'm not opposed to like trading the reversals, right? Because I'm a reversal
Yeah.
trader.
I want to see this really start holding over 90, 95, but I want to see this 5 minute close over 100 and we might start seeing a pop. For the time being,
So
I think
go
we're
ahead.
in a range. No, go
Yeah.
ahead, go ahead.
I was just gonna answer Seth. So what I do is like I enter one contract, right? And then once that one contract, I don't know, it usually goes off structure, but usually when I'm about like $1,000 in profit, right? Which is my 1 to 4, I want to add another contract, but then it moves my average, which is still fine, right? And then my stop loss is still a break even with 2 contracts. And for every break of structure that I do get, and like depending on other confluences, I just keep on adding contracts, but my stop loss is always a break even. So I end up only risking 250 to add maybe 4 or 5 contracts.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's like very tight. And the fact that you can do that like on repeat over and over and over again, that is so cool.
And then I scale in, and then the previous entry just keeps on getting the trailed in, and then yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
dope.
If somebody asks how do you join the sessions, all you got to do is have quantum shift. You have quantum shift, you get to join my sessions. Anytime I host them. Yeah, she's definitely cracked 11. Absolutely. Like you guys need to go watch that podcast she did with Alpha. Like if you guys really want to get to know her, there's a lot of like it was a very it's a your story is very cool. Like it's very cool. Like and
Thank
it's
you.
funny like how the things kind of mirror in different ways, right? Like you were talking about how you
Yeah.
were like so you didn't know what you wanted to do with your life. You were in the military for so many years, but you kind of had that point where you weren't happy. And like I went through the exact same thing, but I did the restaurant thing. Like I was in the restaurant world. I
Right.
did that for 20 years. And I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. Is this really what I want to do for the rest of my life? And I knew it wasn't. I'm like, what the hell am I going to do? And then obviously the car accident has kind of accelerated the thing for me. But it's like interesting to hear how you came to and you went through your whole process and then your friends kind of brought you into it. And then you start looking at like different things. ICT obviously ended up being your bread and butter in the end, but it's like, yeah, it's just everything, like everything from how like again, right? Logan, same kind of idea. He was in the military, and he was like, do I really want to do this? And here we are, a bunch of degen traders from all walks.
Oh Oh my God, they want to know how I got my dogs. Okay, so the first one I bought, he's from North Carolina. I drove all the way there to pick him up. He was a corgi. I had just got out of the military. I had nothing to do. I was trading for 1 hour a day and just pretty much, I guess, being a housewife because I was like, okay, I don't have a husband, but I'm taking care of this damn house and I have nothing to do. Right. So, so I
You
got
hear
the
that, guys?
dog and I was like,
She doesn't have a husband,
but I am a housewife, because
and
what
she's
I
hostile,
envision.
and she makes bread. There you go. All right,
Uh,
that rejected
but yeah,
100 again.
so
Anybody could have scalped that 100 for a freaking another 20-point drop.
oh my God. But
Hey, go
then
ahead,
yeah,
Izzy.
so I got the
Sorry.
corgi. No, you're good. I got the corgi, and then eventually, I think he was 4, because then I had him for 4 years. Then my Belgian Malinois male, he was actually about to get euthanized, and somebody put it on Facebook that they needed a foster. So I was like, oh, let's go see him. And I fell in love with him immediately, and he fell in love with me. So I was just like, there's no fucking way I'm keeping him. And I was telling everybody yesterday, I was like, okay. And then I sent him to the trainer because, he had some issues to like work through. And I worked with my trainer for 3 months. So he got boarded for 3 months to get trained. Now he does bike work and everything else. And then 1 year or two maybe passed from that point. So I have two dogs. And then my friend got a puppy and she got pregnant and she didn't realize how much work it was going to be. So she was like, "Oh, can you foster her until we find her family?" So here I am with the female Belgian Malinois because now I fell in love with her and now she's mine.
You have
So
you have a Malamute?
a Malinois, one of these
Oh,
that they're
Malinois.
sending.
Okay, I haven't heard of that
Yeah,
one.
I have a couple Malinois. So the female and the male,
Malinois. Look at those.
a
How do you spell
Belgium.
that? Malinois?
It's a Belgian Malinois. Essentially, it's like a German Shepherd, but
Belgian
like
Shepherd. Okay,
they.
yeah. Oh, those things look badass. It looks fluffy. I love fluffy dogs. Like I had a husky. Like you could not
Aw,
take me for that poor husky. I was like always like, I mean, she loved it. Like she was always like, but like I was hugging the hell out of that poor dog.
they're psychopath dogs. Yes, sometimes they are,
It's a German
but
Shepherd
they're.
on meth.
It is a German Shepherd on math. He is actually correct, but like you got to
Alright.
give them a job. If you give them a job, they are pretty chill. And
Is
you need
this
to teach them how to chill too. If not, they're just gonna be jumping on shit. Like my mail this morning was on top of my table, and I'm like, bro, what the fuck are you doing?
on top of the table? If this starts sticking underneath the 76 area, I want to see it start breaking under 70, 67. We might have a potential, but it has to break underneath 70 if the short's going to go. There's a potential
I
short
see that.
forming here. Yep. So underneath 76 would be underneath 80. And then if it can break through this 70, 67 pocket, this is about to go. This is setting up here. Made a new lower low
Yeah.
here. So we might have a change in trend here potentially, but I need to see that 70 go. If it pops
Yeah,
back
it's
over 66,
accumulating a lot.
yeah. It's power hour rates. This is Friday. Let's see if it's a normal Friday.
Yeah.
We were spoiled with the event. That Friday was amazing. That Friday was an amazing Friday. We don't get Friday power hours like that all the freaking time. So we're getting some break of these
hmm
bullish candles here. We just need to break these levels here, and then we have room potentially down to 50. This is about to close. This 5 minutes about to close down here. It might retest that seven. Oh,
Oh,
just melted.
look at that.
Anybody catch that? I got in on that. I mean, that was easy. That just melted hard. I just scalped the shit out of that. That was an instant candle closure meltdown. That's what I wanted to see. There it went. It melted through those levels. Oh my God. Here we go, guys. I got two runners running right now. I'm up 630 for power hours so far. YouTube, you guys missed some. You guys need to join the Discord if you haven't yet. We caught two 20-point trades, a 20-point short and a 20-point pop before YouTube even popped up. So you guys are missing out a lot. Make sure you join the Discord too. But holy crap, there it went. That was clean. That was
Yeah.
solo risk
I'm
too.
actually
That was
looking
solo
for a
risk.
reversal from there. Like that was a perfect
150?
liquidity grab.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That
like
was a 50.
if we reject that,
I got trailed out
like
right there. Yep.
now we can go all the way up to the 170 area that I had marked.
Yep. That was that 50. We got room to 50. We hit 52.75 on the dot. If we break
Yeah.
52, we have room all the way down to 32. But it has to break down below that. But that was a nice jump up so far. Let's see. Let's see. We're testing some of the uptrend. The second level of uptrend on the 5. The failed bearish bullish moves played out. We could see a push back up to maybe form a new higher low if it's going to be the flip. So it might come
Yeah.
up to retest that 76 area. But if it can't break back
Because we are
over it,
on an accumulation, so I'm like, if that was definitely a liquidity grab, we get a change set of delivery, it's over. We're going back up.
if it break, I'm looking if it breaks back over 76, potential to shoot back up and retest 94. Potential here. Well, let's see if it can't. If it can't break back over 76, this might retest some of that wick down below. The Dom's not going crazy. Not seeing anything reactionary just yet.
Um,
See what it does as it approaches 76. Did you see that AI video? I didn't see it. I guess somebody posted it during the morning show.
Oh, I
It's
saw
like
it. That was so funny. I
I
saw it when you
love
sent it, when you posted it.
my wife posted it and showed me, and I was like, "What did Coach just say? My poops are the best compliment ever." But he's British. He's British in that thing. Ever. My poops are the best
Ever.
compliments ever. Oh my god. I'm like, oh my god. Gold's melting. Gold, man, you can't trade gold. A lot of props are freaking giving us limits on gold, which I'm kind of sad about. I've been on a heater with metals. I mean, yeah, look at that. That was a beautiful signal on gold.
Well, yeah,
Look at me,
well,
it's
Javi, I
still in.
think you might have to start, thinking about personal
I'm,
account soon.
I'm gonna have
Oh
to become
no.
a male hooker, for
A
the
male hooker
feeders.
is crazy
No,
work.
sorry,
That is not, wait,
a
what?
gigolo. There's feeders out there. There's feeders out there that like the big boys, right?
Oh,
My wife likes a big
definitely.
boy.
Yeah. And you know what? You probably could get paid to eat online and they would watch you eat and like
Oh
pay for
hell
your
no!
food.
I don't eat that much. You don't understand. Like I'm big. I don't eat that much. Like I literally don't. And I always emphasize like how angry I get because I'm like I barely fucking eat. I'm still fucking fat. What's wrong with me? And it's like I barely eat. And I like when I eat too much, I literally get so fucking sick. Like I want to throw up, and everything is. I feel horrible. So it's like one of these things where I'm just like I'm gonna double down when I get down to Florida. I mean, I'm started already, obviously, but I'm gonna really hone in. I'm gonna really like start. I wanna get a boxing bag or something, but I don't have that here, and I'm moving to Florida soon, so I can't buy too much stuff. But I'm gonna start getting on this, man.
Mm.
Pushing 40.
Yeah, but you know what I've learned because I told you I was like a little, not a little chubby. For my height, I was really chubby. I was like 185, and you saw how tiny I am. I'm 5'2". That is
Yeah,
huge. Um,
is it?
but what I learned
Oh,
was because I had the same issue as you, because I literally I wouldn't eat that much. So your metabolism essentially starves and slows down. So you need to actually do the reverse and eat more, but eat more of like protein and things like more often
yeah.
and like
I've been
reduce the
told that.
carbs.
I've been told that. I've
Yeah.
been told to eat more protein, and we've been kind of
Yeah.
stocking up on things with protein for that reason.
Yeah. So
And
if
I
you
think we
eat
need
like
to ride
six
that.
times a day, like and start like essentially taking your body off the starvation mode, then the melt starts like actually coming off.
Yeah, I'm not in Florida yet, brother. Soon, June, July, I'll be in Florida. All right, that popped back over
Six times
76.
a day
Let's
is
keep
not
going
wild.
soon.
Like you take three protein shakes in between meals, and then you have three meals.
Yeah,
I don't snack usually. I do just protein shakes.
I tried some protein shakes. It's just that they leave this weird aftertaste. Like I can't handle weird aftertaste, and that was a
Oh my god,
problem when I did keto.
let me put you on this one. It's so good. It actually tastes like a milkshake. I like to
Frankie's,
buy
that's
the
it.
pre-made. I like to
Just
buy
too
the
many trades.
pre-made ones.
Amateur
What is it called
pre-made
again?
ones. Because I've tried. I mean,
Yeah,
obviously, muscle milk is something I've been taking because of the protein, but even that leaves a weird aftertaste for me. All right,
I
there's that
forgot
push
the
to
name. What is
294.
it?
There's
Yep,
that push
I'm
to
already in the
94.
trade, guys.
I didn't
That
take it
was
because I was talking, but there's that push over 76, 294. Another 20-point grab. Anybody that wanted to take that. I've tried Fairlife all sacks. It, it just I don't
this
know.
one.
Like
This
I
one is my absolute favorite as far as taste goes. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh, where is it at?
being over 100. This 5 minute candle. Oh, the 5 minute candle hasn't closed up here yet. Damn it! It made a fresh one. This thing it looks like it's lining up to rip up here. If it can just start holding over 100, then it needs to break 116, 121 if it wants to keep going up. I got a sauce box in play here as well. Has rejected the midline before.
If you guys got in when I sent it, we are literally 17 points in profit, almost 20.
Yeah, we've been just playing, feeding off of this. Way to go, Leia. Leia. Is Athena into options
If
now?
you
Options, Nvidia's ripping.
if you guys want to stack your position or get in again, if we close above the yellow box right here.
Maestro, if you don't like the aftertaste of most protein, try Seek. There are fruit flavors and not as thick as the others. Low, no sugar, low carb, etc. I'll look it up. I'll try. I try everything. I try as many things
Did you see
as I can.
Did you see the one that I sent you, the Quest?
Yes, I know. Oh yeah, I'm familiar with Quest. You like those? I wasn't a fan of those. I
The
tried those.
strawberry milkshake. You tried the strawberry milkshake
No, I haven't
or
tried
the
the strawberry.
regular one? You need to try
I've
the
tried the
strawberry
regular and the
milkshake.
chocolate one of those,
No, no,
and
no, no.
it
Fuck
was
the
weird.
regular. No, 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 no. You need to no. You need to strictly try the strawberry. Fuck everything else.
I'll give him a shot. I'll give that one a shot. But I used to like Nesquik, the strawberry Nesquik. Does it taste like that?
Yeah,
You remember that?
actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
it
might, I
actually tastes
might,
very
I might
similar. I
do
think
it.
that's why I like it.
No, I'm trying to hit the weights more than that. You'll do like more than 3 times. I'm trying to go back to what I used to do back in the day. I literally used to live in the gym for 3 hours a day. When I was at my peak weight, I was at the gym like, but I was at boxing gym, and I was there for like 3 hours a day, every day, 6 days a week. But again, right, I was training to fight too, so it was like this whole other thing. But I was like literally like my peak, I was able to do way more than 10 burpees. And I remember feeling so good that I was able to do burpees. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's been like 15 years since then, which is insane to think about. You got Logan and me who can guide you. Yeah, Sam G, yep, exactly. I'm gonna have you and Logan kick my ass, like literally. Like if you see me out in McDonald's, you guys better jump me. Like literally. It's like,
You
what are
guys
you doing,
better
Javi?
jump me.
What are you doing? And I'll be like, I'm sorry. I'll never do it again. That's the kind of that's what I need though. I need that. Literally. I need to be afraid for my life. It's still struggling to hold over 100. Like that's what I'm waiting for. I want to see this close over 100. This 5 minute is lining up though. It is lining up. If this thing could stay over the 90s, if this thing could
I'm pretty
close
sure it's
over
going.
95, this is gonna about. I mean, it's not. It's kind of low risk to potentially enter that here too.
It
It's
is.
already going.
I
Yeah.
just added it on the position right now, guys.
Oh, you did? All right. Let's see.
Mhm.
This 5 minute
And
candle
this is
closes
how I
here.
stack. Yep.
10-point risk right now, or I got in at 165. So for 10-point risk on this, I want to see this candle close and then I want to see it pop. Almost like that power hour special on Friday where we saw that 5 minute candle close and then it just started pushing. That's what I want to see right now. Over 100 would be better. It looks like it's doing it right now with strength. I'm going to look for 115 is what I'm going to look for because I have a couple levels at 116 and 121. If it doesn't, it's closing underneath 100. I'm not super sold on it now, but I want it to close over 100. It might take me out, and I might re-enter if I see it happen again, though. Oh, the Dom's going crazy down here at 90. All right,
Mm.
it locked. The level did not fully lock in yet. It needs to stay above 90. It might take me out, and I might re-enter this if it does. Did not do what I wanted it to do, but I want it to hold that 90 area. If it takes me out, takes me out.
It's just retesting right now. It should be fine.
Yeah. This next candle, yeah, it's gonna be the level didn't lock in. That means this next candle is the one that has to hold above 90. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Let me look at the 1 minute. 1 minute is kind of struggling a little bit here in that area too. That 100 has been just so freaking strong. It's been so strong. Has rejected there already 3 times during the power hour. So we're gonna have to wait 4 minutes for this playthrough to happen here. As long as it can hold 90 though, should be okay.
It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do, to be honest.
Awesome.
Even though it's slow, but it's also the
It's slow. Yeah,
afternoon.
it's power hour chop. Normal. We're back to normal. It's back to
We're
normal.
back to normal.
I mean, we caught, there were some good moves before, so I'm only risking 10 out of like the 40 plus that I've collected so far. Yep. Oh, hold on, guys. Give me 1 second.
I'm personally still looking for longs,
All right, maintenance
but I
got
would
this.
like to see.
We just replaced our washer machine because it's been busted. It's just hanging out.
Bro, tell me about it. I'm like,
All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This
everything in
thing
this
has to
damn
hold.
house.
I mean, place that we're at, it had a lot of question marks, but we needed somewhere quick, and we this is what we got. There were rats here, mice
Yeah.
here at first. I think we finally figured out the mice problem. We don't have mice anymore. But then the washer busted up, and then they just basically paint over everything. So my girls have found little cracks in the paint, and then with the little fingers, they're just peeling all the paint. And so all the old paint that's underneath is like all exposed and everything. And they like that front door, there's paint all over. Like they just the girl, there's kids are destructive. They find little things and they start
Oh yeah,
destroying it.
100%.
So yeah,
Oh my
there's
god.
paint chips all over our house,
Oh my god,
everywhere.
I don't know if I'm moving to Florida just yet, guys. Oh my god.
Why are you moving to
But
Florida too?
I'll come visit you.
All right, got about a minute and a half. It's holding 90 pretty well so far. It could retest it really fast. I prefer it not to because what I'm going to see is if this level forms, I want to see it push. If it does not push and it breaks underneath, then it's going to flip it. So right now, I want to see this is exactly what I want to see. This last minute, I want to start seeing it pushing up. And I want to see it close well above 90. I don't want to see it test it because if it tests it immediately, that's going to be a sign that this is going to be a weak level and we could see a potential flip because it cannot break 100.
First of all, why didn't we add cashews into the nut category? That's bullshit. You add hazelnuts or pecans before cashews?
What about pistachios?
And
Oh,
pistachios. There's so many better nuts. Like walnut. Who the
yeah.
fuck likes walnut?
I do not like walnuts. I
Did you
do
guys
not like
know that
walnuts.
cashews are actually made of a fruit?
Yes.
A lot of Americans don't know that, but it's like and then we have cashew juice down in Brazil, which you can't really find it over here.
There are a couple places over here that have it. There's a couple places over here in Maryland, at least, that have it. In Wheaton, they have the cashew juice. It's okay. I want to go and
Yeah, it's
r-
okay.
rave
It's
about
kind
it.
of it's not it's just kind of refreshing.
Yeah, there's that juice that the Jamaica too. Jamaica's okay. All right, here we go. 5 minute locked in. The Dom's
Ooh,
reacting. Didn't give that strong push. I want to see it
yep, I'm
not
still
pull
waiting
back.
for a stronger push.
Yep, it did not pull up as much as I wanted to, and I do not want it to come all the way back down. NQ is showing relative strength versus SPX. SPX is currently dropping, NQ is not. But if it cannot break through 100, there it goes. There it goes. All right. Still looking for that 815 area or 115. All right, that's good. It didn't fully pull back, and I want to see it start popping up here.
Yeah, I want to see 123 get hit.
Awesome. Come on. Come on, NQ. Get going. Get going. Come on. There it goes. Now it needs to rip through 105, 106. We can see it rip through that. We'll get that push that I'm looking for potentially, but it needs to stay above here. Still kind of looking weak to me. And SPX just formed a 5 minute level above. Oh, it's looking pretty weak to me. This is not a good sign. Where I just saw this 5 minute level pop in. So she's gonna get kind of stuck here.
This PX isn't doing shit. Like this is
Yeah.
the biggest chop I've ever seen in my life. See, that's why I don't trade that shit.
Welcome to
Like, what
Power
the
Hour.
fuck is that?
Welcome to the Power Hour, Izzy.
Oh my
This is what we
god.
were afraid of last week. We were afraid that it was gonna be like this ugly ass chop. And thankfully it wasn't for the show, but this is freaking choppy ass ugly Power Hour chop. This is why I hated Power Hour for the longest time.
This
And
is
it's usually
awful. But
it's
you know,
usually
the Asian
30 minutes
session
of
does the
titty chop.
same thing from time to time. So it's kind of like you can't.
I'm kind of thinking to see if there's gonna get stuck here, but if it does pull down and break that 89, we're gonna go in for a pretty good drop potential here. But if SPX can start ripping through these levels over here, let's hope that this is a new lower, higher low, and it starts ripping over, maybe we'll have a shot. But NQ's strength is still very obvious. That's the only thing that's kind of telling me that this wants to run. The divergence right now between the two is insane. There goes. The divergence between the two is still insane, but like I'm waiting to see if this can start popping over 105. I'm up like $60 right now. I mean, I'm up almost 700 for power hour still. That's still pretty good.
That's good.
But yeah, where's Nate? What's up, fam? Yeah, Logie is taking a little break, a well-deserved break, but he's also dealing with, I think he posted it on the socials. He's at also a funeral, so got to give him his space and time.
I'm eating steak.
He could take, yeah, he could take as long as he wants. We're here to hold it down for him. He's always here in spirit. All right, come on, push, come on, get over this 105. I want to see it really start snapping over 105. There you go. I want to see it get
I don't really
snappy
like
here.
chocolate.
I want to see it get snappy. Me neither. I'm not a big fan of chocolate either.
Yeah.
Get snappy here.
But you know
Get
what?
snappy here.
It's American chocolate. Do you like hit what do you call like Hispanic chocolate?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the M&Ms, the peanut. I love the peanut M&Ms. The peanut M&Ms in Paraguay are so much better than the peanut M&Ms here.
So much better.
All right, here we go. 15. Give me 15, baby. Boom, 15. Let's go. All right, I got
There we
runners
go.
running with you, Izzy. Let's fucking go, Izzy.
Let's
There you
go.
go. Took forever, but we got it. Now let's see if we can hold above 15, get to that 21, potentially break through that for Izzy's 23 target. Let's go, guys. 800 on power hour. Love it, love it, love it. Boom, boom. It got scary because at one point it almost took me out, and I was like, well, if it takes me out, it takes me out. If it brings me back in, it brings me back in. But there we go. Caught the play so far. I think we're in what 60 some points so far for even chop. That's crazy to catch 60 some points during chop. So be happy, y'all. And if you guys are on YouTube again, join that Discord. We come in early. Get ready. Now this needs to hold over this 10 area to give the continuation up. Let's get that pop through 21. If we get that pop through 21, next would be 27. And then after 27, I have room all the way up to 44, past 44, 60, 60, 75. Woo! There it goes. There's 21. Boom. 21 hit.
Boom.
You hit your
23.
23? There you go,
Yep.
Izzy. 23
Sure
hit. I'm going
did.
to take one more out there. And I'm going to let my last runner run. Another casual 20 some points, guys, gals. Look at that. Isn't it crazy though? Like how, like my shit matches up really well with ICT. I've always known to be a little bit gay, but that like I didn't know I was that gay.
It's pretty good.
It's really good. I do. I ain't gonna lie. As much as that stuff, we make fun of it. It's still fun. Like I do enjoy Llama stuff very much. Everyone knows. I always preach about it. And Llama's an ICT guy. You're an ICT gal. I see the FEGs. I see it all. Do I play with them now? But it's cool to see it all line up. It's so cool.
That's what I always say.
See,
Because
this is what
like
these guys
even with
look.
ICT.
This is the thing, right? This is when I see people like this, right? Because you built it off, because y'all built it off ICT. ICT did not exist. ICT was made up terms from market structure stuff, but if it helps clear it up, that's all that matters. It's terms that you have inverse of the inverse of the inverse, so everything makes sense in a way. I don't like that. Like I just want to see one. If I see a FVG, I just see an FVG. I don't want to see the inverse of the triverse of the multiverse. I don't want to see all that.
So I'm kind of like an old school ICT, so I don't really use inversions in general, but
Yeah.
you need to understand the whole picture to also understand inversions. Some people just think inversions are just inversions, but like it's a combination of like the liquidity grab. And then
See,
once you have the first inversion, it
mhm.
shows that price is willing to switch directions.
Yeah. See, this guy
Right.
ICT's been around for 10
Yeah.
years. The market's been around for 100 years. Like, like here's a funny thing. This is what I love about trading because it's evolved so much, right?
Yeah.
Terms, strategies, everything. Go talk to the
Yeah.
big dogs that have been like Pete, the Einstein of Wall Street. He doesn't know what the heck ICT is. Damn, they don't know what the heck. They don't know what the hell is ICT. They don't know what it is. But if it works for you, it works for you. That's all that matters. Period. That's all I care about. Like, is
No,
he
I'm talking
successful with it?
about old school ICT. Like, I don't trade Venom or whatever the hell else he's teaching currently. What is
There's
it?
something called Venom.
Yeah, Venom strategy. There's like
Look that up.
ICT always coming out with more shit. So like I stopped watching his stuff back in 2023. So like I only use well, yeah, so I'm a 2016, 2017, 2022 mentorship ICT student. I don't trade anything after that. And I think inversions came out in 24.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
And I was already profitable by the time inversions came out. So I'm like, what the fuck am I gonna add that to my shit?
Runners running, runners running. Used to break over 27. It did wick at
Even Silver
27.
Bullet. I don't trade the Silver Bullet. Like
See,
Silver
I don't
Bullet came out after I was already profitable, so I was like, don't give a shit.
like, yeah, I mean, like, I get it. Like Evil Dude just said, it's literally trading is in order to find the edge, people find ways to make it work. Hence why things are hidden behind paywalls and blah blah blah. That's very true. We don't hide our things behind paywalls. I mean, you guys can go watch everything on Quantum on my YouTube channel. That's my main bread and butter. Obviously, the other thing I have is Saucebox. Like that's what's in play right now. That's why that 27 area, that's literally the center of my Saucebox. That's where it rejected.
Yeah.
Got a little peek over here.
But the reason why ICT became so popular was because he made all his education free. That is why. So like people start watching it because it's a whole fucking university course for free. And then you have people like me that watch all that shit, spend years trying to dig through. And I'm over here like, okay, now this is easier to digest. Here's the model already made for you. You don't have to watch fucking over 100, 200, 400 hours of ICT videos because I don't
Yeah.
even know how much I watch. I was watching like 4 hours a day for 2 or 3 years every day.
Yeah, and then you made it your own. You literally
Shit.
like no one, no like when when I watch like ICT traders, right, and they're one of the most successful traders out there, unfortunately. You know what I'm saying? So guys, there's something in it, but I still trade my style. Um, I still get like liquidity sweeps, and there's so many types of liquidity sweeps, the London lows, all this stuff. I'm just like, okay, so which one are you guys looking for? There's just like so many different things where I'm just like, because everyone has their own little
But
thing, right? Some go
you
for
know
certain
a thing that I think you would
order
love because
blocks. Uh-huh.
it kind of fits your style.
Uh-huh.
And I think that's the beauty of like knowing like what I personally like to teach when I do try to have people incorporate ICT is finding one of the concepts that fits you and maybe that can help better your strategy. But it's just the accumulation and the manipulation. So the reason why I went all the way up top, right, is because we were in a chop.
Mhm.
And when we had that obvious
That pullback.
low get taken out from the short that you caught, I'm trying to send it. And you see like the immediate rejection from like the lowest point of the accumulation. Now you know that you can target the top side of it. So like
Yeah, and that confuses me.
that confuses the
To
two
you
lines
to you,
confuses
it
you.
makes sense, yeah, and I'm just looking at it, I'm like, obviously, I have my like, that le the for me, see, like, for me, like, this is what's weird because you have that obviously, I think that's like a pivot point or something, but if you look where I had mine,
Oh no,
where I
I
had my
just
blue
marked them
line.
manually.
Okay, because like, I have my blue line here from my
That is
bullish
literally
candle,
just
right?
the lowest point of the accumulation. That's all there is to it.
Yeah. See, and for me, like, literally, like, where that wick actually occurred, this is it for me. This candle, the quantum candle right here, this
Hmm.
is where I had that line right here. And it's so close to matching up to where yours is. But I got like, that little wick that was like right on the verge of touching it. So that's what when I'm looking at yours, I'm like, oh, it's close to where my zone is. And this is why I always see how these things like again, right? Why I love my stuff with llama stuff is because I see this kind of stuff
Yeah.
over and over and over again. So it's kind of cool. And then obviously I see your little FEG right there too. And I see it too. I can visualize it, but look, what do I have here, right? What do I have where your FEG in the middle is? That 5-minute level that formed to 89, 25. So that's what's really cool about it because I see it. I see it
Yeah.
over and over and over again. And I'm just like, holy crap, it's just still really cool, right? Because everyone thinks, oh, yeah, you develop your stuff. I don't know what ICT is. Like, I literally don't know what any of it is. It all confuses the hell out of me. Like, it just does. You know, I'm not that smart. I'm not that smart. I went to community college for a year and a half trying to learn business administration. Guess what? I learned more actually running a business than going to school for a year and a half. Like getting thrown in there and be like, all right, do this, do that. Oh, I messed up here. I messed up that. I learned more running a business actually doing it. Go to school, they're like, take notes, do this and that. And half of it, no, actually like 90% of it, I did not do any of it. I was like, why did I learn all that stuff? It was weird.
No, I feel you because I told you I was going to law school before hand. And I sucked as a student because I had like honestly no love for it. So like for me to go to like dreading like studying to like I was telling you guys watching ICT for like at least 4 hours each day. I because each one of his videos is about 1 to 2 hours long, and I watch at least 2 videos a day minimum.
Best
Sometimes I watch four
strategy.
videos.
This guy says best
Um,
strategy is copying and customizing an existing strategy and selling it for $30 a week. What strategy? Like quantum, there's nothing like quantum. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing like this. This is like everyone's
yeah,
trying to guess what the quantum candles are, and no one's even come close because they don't know what I was doing from the 5 second chart all the way up to the 35. I'm sorry, 45 second chart when I was like looking for the pattern to form. But it's funny.
so let me
Like
just
I love all those comments.
answer. Yeah, I was just gonna answer some of these comments. So how long does accumulation need to be before you can call it accumulation? Honestly, it's less about the accumulation, more about the time, right? So like you know that 3 p.m. is a reversal time, and you see that 3 p.m. on the dot we took the low that was having price accumulate. Like we are not taking a high, we're not taking a low, we're literally just going side to side. Like there's no liquidity grab, right? So anything without a liquidity grab, it's essentially an accumulation. So it doesn't have like a specific time that it needs to happen. Um,
Isn't that
in my
interesting thing?
course,
Oh,
what?
sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead. I was just
Oh,
I
sorry.
was reading a question, thinking too out loud. Sorry.
Yeah, and I was just gonna answer Chris because he's asking what my course entails. So I teach three different strategies so far, but I'm adding more. So I teach how to trade the New York to my course. Now that because I trade, I figure out that I like to trade all the opens and reversals. So I'm adding. So I right now have the New York Open. I'm gonna start teaching the afternoon, so the 1:30 p.m. reversal, which sometimes collides with the power hour, which I think is cool because sometimes we get the 3 p.m. reverse instead of the 1:30. And then you have the Globex Open and the London Open. So all of the opens are
All the
essentially
opens.
all the opens. And the next one's gonna be
All
my
the
legs.
opens.
What? What?
Oh, what? What? Say
What? I'm joking.
what?
No, no, no.
All the guys, yeah, all the
Uh,
guys are like, yeah, all the guys' ears went, what?
oh
Like as
man.
high pitched as you could get. Well, I mean, this is the Jizzy show, isn't it, guys?
Oh no, OnlyFans guys. Sorry.
All right, all right, all right.
Oh,
That was a nice one, Izzy. Came out of nowhere. All right. Let's see what this does. This is looking like this came back down higher low, hit right where it was accumulating, right? That's what you would call that range zone where it was. I want to see if this will start ripping up again, break through all this 127,
I
but
think so.
it is in a weird spot right now, so this could easily just get stuck right here. SPX is big ass gap below. If it breaks back down below 110, there's a chance that this is gonna come down a bit. It failed to hit that 19. It hit 19 and it failed to hold above it too. So let's see where it closed. It closed right there above it. So this 110 area looks like it's
Yeah,
gonna be the
my trade
fighting
already
area
hit,
for the
guys.
night.
I'm not trying to be
Now, right
fucking
now, this is we're just
with
gonna
this
wait for
shit.
MOC mainly. Yeah.
But I
NQ
still
did
have a
flip.
bullish bias. I really do think that we're still gonna go up a little bit more.
NQ did
Just
flip
tiny
weak
little
though.
bit
It did
more.
it did flip weak, so I want to see if it can hold above 110, but if it cannot hold 110, we
Oh,
might
give me
not
one quick
have.
second. I need to pick up this phone call.
Yeah, go ahead. It's fighting this 110. The candle needs to close below it, so it's still holding on top. If it closes above, we might see another push back up, but this is so close to it. I'm not fully sold on anything at the moment. Yeah, look how it's closing right on it again, like right on it. But it's holding it barely. Dom's not going crazy. Okay, now it's speeding up. The Dom is speeding, just started to speed up a little bit right now. So something's about to happen. It's either going to pull down really hard here or it's going to pull down a little bit and then shoot right up. But let's see. I really want to see a nice candle closure somewhere. There's an MVG below. There goes. Just a little pull so far. Not much here. 2 minute did give me a little bit of a trigger. This needs to get back under 100 if there's a potential pull down into the 90s. That's it. Lost some sauce with the audio problem. There was an audio problem, no audio. I suspect the quant candle goes something with gaps the seconds time frame. No. Well, I suspect the quant candle got something to do with gaps on the second. No. Good guess though. You're the first person to guess that, but no, has nothing to do with gaps. That's the first. You're the first person to ever even mention that kind of thing. But no, I don't play gaps. Has nothing to do with that. Lost some audio on the sauce. People teach fail. That's interesting. Yeah, that was the comment that I always said. That's interesting, right? That people that teach in school failed before themselves, and that's something that, you know, I think Einstein didn't graduate, right? Einstein didn't graduate high school or none of that, and he was like the freaking smartest person out. Like a lot of these like physics people, out there weren't like the best scholars early on.
I'm not talking to
Short or
Logan,
long?
guys. It was I
Right
actually
now it's
blew a
important.
tire. No, I blew a tire when I was going to Starbucks earlier.
You blew a tire?
Yeah, so my car is in the shop getting a new tire. And then I was like, just get an oil change too while you're at it.
There was that.
They're
I
just
mean,
taking
this
all day.
110, that 110 held for a quick little 10 pointer there, but that was it. I don't know if it's gonna keep going. Right, it needs to break under 100, stand under 100, then it needs to go underneath 90. It's fighting right now. It's fighting right now, so it's not moving a whole lot. This is a typical. This is what normal Power Hour Fridays look like. Everyone, little 10 points here, little 15 points there. We caught a nice long earlier for like 30 some points, and we caught that to the initial short right when Power Hour started for the gang in here. Then we caught the long for 20 some points. Yesterday, we've been spoiled. I'm going to tell you what, we've been spoiled the last few days and probably weeks with these huge 50-point moves on Power Hour. This is what it normally looks like, y'all.
Oh.
We
First of
still
all,
caught.
yes, I hit curbs all the time. Okay, I'm not afraid of saying it. I'm terrible. I hit all the curbs with my back tire, so I'm not actually shocked.
Curb
Okay,
hitter. Everyone was like, "Yeah,
I
you hit some
am.
curb." Hey, you know
I
what?
do, and I do. I hit my curbs with the back tires all, like literally all the time. Like I don't
Everyone's
know
hit a
what it
curb.
is.
Guys, don't lie. You guys have hit curves. I've hit curves. Even when I had my nice rims on my nice car back in the day, I had this car, a Dodge. I had a 2003 Dodge Charger that I decked out in all Redskin stuff. I had customized wheels made for it that got powder coated red, and I painted the inner part gold and everything. And I curbed the shit out of those within the first month of having it, and I was so pissed.
Oh, talking about car wrecking. So I actually, because I had two cars, right? So I paid off my car when I got out of the military. So I have a Mazda 6, and then I bought a Porsche. I bought a Macan, And then,
Damn.
Javi, do you want to know what happened to the Porsche?
You got in a car accident? Got destroyed? Yeah. Fast car? Yeah.
Hmm.
That's yeah. I figured it
So,
might, yeah.
yeah,
That's why
I
I
was
am never
debating on
getting a fast
buying a
car again
new
either.
one of the same one or if I want to buy something else.
Oh man. I'm gonna avoid
Uh,
fast cars now. Like I'm sticking to my minivans. Like I used to
I'm
like
so
my yeah, again,
pissed.
like I think I've mentioned this before. My dream car used to be the Lamborghini Murcielago until I tried to get
Yeah.
in one. And then after that, it was I
Try
actually
getting
like
into
the
one.
Corvette. I tried to get into one. I was like, "Yeah, no, get rid of that
Oh
fucker."
no, I tried a Corvette before I bought my Porsche, and then when
Yeah,
I tell you that thing, I was like, "Why am I going down?" And I was like, "Damn, this thing is low to the ground."
yeah, it is. Yeah, yep, yep, yep. All right,
But
couldn't
I don't
break
know.
100.
I'm kind of like, so right now I'm kind of waiting because I did end up like also getting to a lawsuit because I sued the guy that hit me. But I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll try to like keep it as a motivation to get my payout from Apex and buy a car again after that.
There you go.
So I'm
That's
like
good
being
motivation.
forced to, yeah, to take my base hits. And if I do, I want a Urus. Urus? Is that
Yeah,
what it is? Lamborghini Urus?
yeah. The first time I heard somebody say Urus, I'm like, are you mispronouncing Toyota Yaris? Yaris? I'm like,
I think
why do you guys
Yaris.
want that? Yeah. I was like, why do you guys want that car? I'm like, that thing is ugly and slow. I was like, maybe you guys are being gas efficient now. I don't know. That was initially what I thought. I was like,
Oh
ugh, you
my
guys like that
god.
thing?
I'm not up that much on the Apexes. I'm up 1,500. I'm trying to like on each account. So it's 20 accounts, up 1,500 each. How much is that? Like 30 something thousand?
Yeah. The Dom has not gone crazy at all, y'all. Like, I have not seen the Dom go crazy yet. It's just been like kind of pacing between 100, kind of comes down. Now, okay, now it's speeding up a little bit. As soon as I said that, it's a fine Javi. It was like, fine, Javi, you want crazy? I think it's about to show me crazy.
No, the fair value gap is holding. I'm out, but like it's holding.
Yeah, this thing closes above 12, 13, but it needs to break that 19, then it needs to break freaking 21 and 26. It's stuck. It's in this little crazy chop area where it needs to break through this pocket. For me, it needs to break through this pocket, then start ripping. Let me get rid of this for now. I need that thing right now. This is setting up really nicely. This is setting up really nicely. There it goes. Oh
Hmm.
yeah, there it went. Yep. Very nice. All right, now can it hold above all this? Now it has to start breaking and holding, and there's a rejection so far again of that mid of the sauce box right there. Hard rejection. Hard rejection, but doesn't mean it can't. It's gonna pull back, retest a little bit. MOC is in less than 10 minutes. MOC is in less than 10 minutes. So we're about to eliminate this level and create a whole new one at 13. Next would be all the way up. If this holds over 27, 44, then 160. SPX ripping as well. SPX has room to go to 930. All right. Stop loss will be around 20 here, but I want it to close over 27. It closed right below it. It might just go. You have a Lamborghini yours. I'm trying to pass my evals just to occur. Like Max, didn't Max curb his car when he first got it? He curbed his
I don't know. Did he?
yeah, I think he did. Yeah, he did, right? See? He curved it. So, it happens. Nick was there. Nick is proof. He was there. He was like,
Damn.
that's a 50K wheel right there. It's like, damn,
50K wheel.
it's expensive wheel. Oh my god, Drew. That's an awkward looking screenshot. What luxury car would you buy? Me? Nothing. I have no luxury car I would want to buy anymore. Like, you know what I would want? If I can freaking ship one of those Korean minivans. The Koreans make some sick looking minivans.
said minivans. I'm so done with you,
Dude,
Javier.
no, for real. Oh shit, there it goes. Look at that. That held over 27 right up to 45. Next could be 160. Have you seen those Korean minivans? Like, dude, their chairs swivel in the inside. You could face each other. Like,
Oh my god.
they look so badass. And I'm like, why can't we make shit like that here? Like, it's not fair.
It's not fair, he said.
It's not fair. They have some of the most badass looking minivans over there. Like, if I can ship one of those fuckers here, I would absolutely do that. Absolutely. All right, let's see. It needs to close over 144 next. It needs to close over 144 to get that additional push. But that is doing its thing right now. It is doing its thing right now. Very nice explosion up. SPX got really close to that 930. It hit 929.09. 930.90 would be the level up there. Just violence. It just went with violence. It closed over 27 and then shot up 20 points. That was an instance.
Richie, I don't trade orbs. I actually don't even know how to mark an orb.
What?
I
Max is
don't.
about to get on you on that.
No, he's
Max is gonna
not.
be like, "How dare you?" Yeah, he's oh
No,
man,
he gave me his course. I never watched it. I have
eh,
everybody's course, I think. I have everybody's indicators, I have everybody's course. Never watched a single one.
Chewy. I know you can ship them cheap, but I don't think they're street legal here. I've heard that you have to remove the swivels off of and that's the whole point. Like the swivels off of those the middle chairs of the rear seats. Like you have to undo them to have them legal here. It's a pain in the butt. I don't want to do that crap. I mean, how would they even prove that, right? Like, I know they're cheap to ship. Like, we actually got a van in Paraguay. We bought a van from Korea, I think, where they shipped it out or something, or it was from there. And it's confusing because the signal is not on the right side. It's on the opposite side. You have to to click right. You have to click it up. And I was just like, the first time I drove that thing over there.
You know,
I
if you
was
actually
doing the
buy
same
a
thing.
car to like from
Okay.
wherever you want to buy it, they will actually fly you over there usually, so you can like spend like a week or so.
Who does that? Volkswagen or Buick or Volkswagen? One
Volkswagen,
of those do them.
Porsche, like BMW, Mercedes, all of them do. I'm pretty sure Japan probably does it now too.
Do they? Saab, Volvo. I'm with you, Javier.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you have kids and then you'd like to travel and you like to like have luggage and shit, like you need a minivan. You just need it. Like, you have you got the what do you call it? The stroller. Oh my gosh, you need a fucking minivan. Look at that thing go. Closed over 45. It's about to hit that
Hmm.
60. Hope everyone's tracking this. Anybody got in on it? Obviously, I'm waiting for MOC. I'm still up 800 bucks on Power Hour. I'm happy as hell. I'm not gonna take every single trade, but you guys, if you're listening, right, over 827, and I know I don't say
Yeah.
stop loss and stuff.
All
Candles
of
that
these
break those
car
levels
places. Sorry,
are the
go ahead.
stop loss lines. No, go ahead. No, I was kind of explaining for people like well, how I
Yeah,
do
sorry.
mine. The candles that
I
break
was
those
reading the
areas,
chat.
like, oh, you're good. That candle that broke that 27, this would be my stop loss. Same thing here. This candle broke. That would be a big stop loss. I might not take that just based on the size of that candle, but there's that push. You got to 58, close to 58. Bada bing, bada boom. So this is going to be the level potentially for MOC. That 160.75. If it rips through that, 170.25. Let's
How
see
do
what
I
you do.
ask? How do you ask what? Chewy.
You can get a nice Toyota Hyase van for 10K
Yeah,
in
say
Japan. Hyase. Hyase. I'm probably saying it all wrong. You got 2,000 on that. Let's go, Esteban. Oh, look at that. There's 60. There's 60. This thing ripped beautifully. Look at this. Look at this 2 minute. YouTube sees this 2 minute signal. You could have taken this 2 minute signal down here at 18. You'd be up a nice 50 points. Beautiful pump up. All right. 71.25 is next. And we'll see is in about 3 minutes. So 71.25, currently the next area. 71. If it pops over 71.25, 202.75 could be next. And Izzy's been bullish since the beginning of the show. So if you held from all the way down at the 100 or even the 90 area, you're almost up 100 points, which is insane too. You
Mhm.
still holding a contract, Izzy? You
No, I
got
got out, but
you got out of it.
I was happy because I can't make too much money on these accounts. I can only make 1,500 per day. If not, I will fuck up my what is it called? My consistency.
Get Nick caught that PHP trade. I know PHP triggered on this. I know it. I absolutely know it. So hopefully PHP gang is eating as well on behalf of Logie Poo, because this was a beautiful Logie Poo setup. I see it. I absolutely see it. Yo does up 160 points and rolling, ready to go. All right, this is going to be the MOC area. Looks like we got 2 minutes in. 71.25. 71.25 is the area for MOC. Unless it rips through it right here, then the next area is all the way up at 202, and I ain't going to touch that. It looks like it's hanging out a little bit
I have
right here.
361 as a target next. I don't have midway targets.
Let's see. Ta-da. Ta-da. All right. Little rejection on here. There it goes for a little bit pullback already.
Yeah, in
So
my retest, the area that we broke from the 123.
yeah, MOC looks like we're already going down. I only got in with like a. I'll leave 2. I got in with like 4 micros on that rejection because it was such a low risk. It was literally like a 4-point risk, and now I'm up 900 for power hour just on that level hold right there. But this could obviously MOC loves to retest the level, so it could pump back up and retest it. I'm already trailing just because this is already a 10 plus point trade. If it takes me out, I want to see what it does at 71.25. We got about 30 seconds left. We're not close enough to that 71.25 at the moment. It could easily pop back up and retest it. It's Friday. Friday's MOC reads tend to be kind of there's not
Friday
much
tends to
movement on
be
them. Yeah, it tends to be like this. So we're gonna wait on it here. 10 seconds. All right, let's see what it does here. Is it gonna even do anything? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And all right, wick down so far. Let's see, it's ripping right through it. And that is ripping with strength over 71.
Mm-hmm.
If it continues to go here, and there goes. There goes. There goes. It just ripped right through it. Now it could come back and retest it, or it could just keep ripping to 202. I caught it with just a few micros. I couldn't even get a clean entry on it. I got in so freaking late. I got in at like 75. Already got my 10. I want to see if these runners can run a little bit. That was an explosion right through 71.25. And there it goes. There's some more run. There's some more push. I'm going to get another one out there. I'm up almost 1,000 on power hour. 966. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Get
This
up.
was
I want to see
actually
if
a
it gets
clean
up.
ass trade.
Yeah, I want to see if it gets up to 202. Like, I want to see if it gets up there. So that's already a 20-point
It
trade.
should.
There it goes. It's already a 20-point trade. Break over 71. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, get to 202. I want to see 202 tapped. Even 200 will be fine for me. There it is. There's 202. Bam, guys. 202.
Woo!
Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Damn.
Okay, now you got to
Clean.
do the sea lion.
My sea lion's excited as fuck, guys. My sea lion's excited as fuck. It's still going. Oh my god, it's still going. I'm officially $1,000 in power hour, 1,010 in power hour. Let's go. Oh my god, guys, we're up 40 points on the MOC.
Hell yeah.
Let's fucking go, guys. Let's go. I'm out. I got trailed out right there. Happy. That's the 216. That was the next sauce box level. I'm happy with that, guys. Let's go, guys. Wow. Look at that. Another nice solid power hour. Let me
Another
screenshot. I did not.
Jizzy show.
Let me hit screenshot the whole power hour P&L. There it is. No losses today. I didn't even take every trade. I didn't even take every trade. If I took every trade, I'd be up huge. Wow.
If you
What
guys
a
actually
rocket.
held the one trade I got.
In freaking
Mhm.
sane. Very nice. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Immediately ripped up after it broke through that level. And look where it's rejecting. 16 currently. Not a strong rejection. Now it's a strong rejection.
Yeah.
I'm freaking done. I am freaking done. Look at you guys. Everyone ate. Everyone ate. Get in, putas.
Get him.
I would say that too. I was like, get in, putas. Let's go. I say that. I would say that. The Jizzy Show.
Yeah, I didn't hold it, but if you guys did, that was definitely a 1 to 4, 20 points or so to
Yeah.
make 100 and something points.
Maka
I'm
caught up on
telling
the
you,
first trade.
that's my average. My 1 to 4s are like,
Yeah. That was clean, y'all. Everyone have a great weekend. I mean, everyone should have a great weekend. This was a hell of a week. We had a hell of a week.
to
Like
be
I
honest,
can't.
I haven't been a fan of the open this week. And you know what is crazy?
Uh
It's
huh.
that like, wait, hold on. He said he wants to have my babies.
Wait, what? Who wants to have your babies? You want
Trader
her
Joe
to
said he
impregnate
wants.
you? Okay, go ahead. You're into that kind of stuff.
Oh my God. I haven't been
If
a fan of
she'll
the open
inseminate
this
you,
week, but you know what is crazy? The afternoon has been really clean, which I can really appreciate that.
dude. Yeah, man. You know what? I haven't
The-
even posted my total that I made today for all my accounts. Like I didn't even post the total I made today. I usually do that. That's like my thing. Hold on. Let's do the tally up. Let's do the tally up here. Let's see what I made today. All right. So this is already 25.3 and then 250. That's 32.50. These two are 16. That's 32.16. That's 48. Uh over here, holy crap. I'm going to get lost now. 48 and then that's 56, 62, 62, 7, 77, and then another 12 here, 77, and that's my math 89 and 89 about 10K a day for me. And Fridays have historically been my
Hell
worst
yeah.
days. Fridays have historically been my worst days.
It's because Fridays suck.
Yeah, but managed to pull in there you go. There you go. There you go Dgens in the Discord. That's my day today with my 1 million trades because I do not copy trade. Every single one of those accounts were traded individually. Look at their rejections. Look at
Really?
this, guys. Sauce box and the level. Oh my God. Look at this. 16 freaking 40-point rejection. I love the sauce box.
I only have my bitch ass P&L card because there's
Mac
no way
wants
that
me
I
to
can
call it
like.
probability feel. I feel like sauce box suits me. The
So I'm
Jizzy
up
show and the sauce box show.
33,000 on my Apexes. But God
Let's
knows
go.
how much more I have to make. But I'm like chiseling a little bit at a time.
Yeah, just a little bit at a time. Eventually, you're gonna get there. Nice,
Yeah,
very nice,
because I gotta
Maka.
make 6,500 per account, and then I need to make what is it? However much I need to make, maybe 1,000 to 3,000 to request a payout. I think the max is 3,000 payout. So like I gotta
Get to
make
three. Yeah,
9,500 per account. Oh God,
get to work. You can do it. You've done it. Come on, Izzy. That should be easy. That should be easy work for you.
it is.
But it's like,
It
yeah, the
is,
process, right? It's like,
but is
"Ooh,
it trailing? The trailing is what is not the easy work because I can't
oh
hold like
yeah,
for
that's
instance the trade that we
right.
just held right now.
You
Like
have
it's so
intraday.
risky. Yeah, it's so
Yeah,
risky that like on the first pullback, I'm already like I need to be out because I don't want to risk it like retracing all the way back to my entry and then I'm fucked.
That's right. I forgot the Apex does intraday drawdown. I didn't even think about
Yeah.
it when I was trading today. Crap. Now I'm gonna
Yeah.
be thinking about it. I
Hobbies
forgot I
like
took
shit.
oh yeah, you know what? I didn't even include the Apexes in this tally up, right? I said 10K. Here's my Apex, my two PAs. I have two of them that I'm taking serious. So I didn't even include
Yeah,
that
and these are
in
all PAs that I'm trading, by the way. Like I passed the challenge already, so like,
look at that. All right. Add another 1500 to that tally. Add another 1500 to that. Forgot about these guys. I always leave them out. I always leave those pobos out. Wowie, wowie. Way to end the weekend, guys. Way to end the week. First full week back after the best event in the history of events, I think. It was freaking amazing. I told my wife this, and I don't like this feeling where I felt invincible. And
invincible. Yeah.
I don't like that feeling because then I do stupid shit that I don't need to be doing. Like I start going, I'm gonna size up. Oh, I want to go for this. Or I want to go for that. Right. So I have to like be like, just follow your damn routine, do your damn thing, and that's what I've been doing. And it's been a hell of a week for me. Like a hell of a week, y'all. Like
But
I had half.
you need to
Mhm.
like be proud of yourself too, though, because like whenever we have like these really big weeks, yes, your ego can get inflated a little bit,
Yeah.
but at the same time, it's like
Be
it.
proud of yourself.
I would say
Absolutely.
like,
Yeah.
yeah, like take your family for a nice dinner type of thing. That's what I
Yeah.
always
No.
do. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just do something for yourself to celebrate that, and
Yep.
then just like, okay, that was a celebration that happened. I'm happy about it. Now let's get back to work. So you're not just like
Oh, if you don't want
trying
to
to
take,
take
yeah,
it
it's
for granted
cold.
either.
It's cold and there's ice everywhere. We're celebrating our son's birthday tomorrow too, so we're gonna be out.
Yeah.
They're gonna
But you
go.
know what I'm saying? But because it is important to celebrate those like small wins. Like I always
Oh
buy
yeah,
myself
absolutely.
like something, usually like, oh, if I want something, even if it's a little bit materialistic, like every time that I got like a 10K payout, I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy a purse that I really want. Just to, like, okay, now all my purses have like a little meaning for myself. Like, okay, these all got collected with prop firm payouts, you know?
Yeah,
So maybe you
yeah,
start collecting something that you're like, okay, these are my milestones.
yeah, yeah. You know what? That's a great idea. Actually, I think our muscle. We take trips. Like we're already planning a little getaway before we get to
Yeah.
Florida. Oh no, no, no. We're gonna plan a getaway in Florida. Like we're gonna be in Florida hunting for a place, but we're also gonna be like a couple days. We're gonna sneak away and go enjoy ourselves. Holy crap! Look at that dump. Wow. And
Yeah, fuck
Quantum
that.
caught it. Quantum caught that baby. Look at that. Sauce box. This is like the confluence we went over. For those of you that went to the event, that's my sauce box. Love that thing. Start collecting anime figures. My daughters will destroy them. They already destroyed my Goku. I had a Goku. The Goku got destroyed. Not that one back there. That's the only one that's surviving, but it has like little chips and stuff in it already. I had a Frieza they destroyed. They destroyed Frieza. Um, those don't survive. I had me and my wife spent so much money buying Happy Meals to get that little figurine from McDonald's that had my hat. Oh shit, I did it again. They had my hat on it. My girls, I don't know where they put it. That was a little hobby. That was a little hobby, little Korean hobby with the bucket
Oh,
hat, and
that
it's
is
gone.
so cute.
So yeah, we I mean obviously our kids love McDonald's, so it was that much like we weren't spending like unnecessarily. But we finally got that little bastard,
Mhm.
and now we don't know where it is. Oh man, awesome! What a power
Yeah.
hour, y'all. Let's do a little. You know what? Before we get the weekend, let's do a little profit roll call. Let's do a little profit roll call. Let's get that profit roll call in here. What a freaking weekend! Everybody did amazing. We're about to do a little giveaway. It's 4 o'clock. I'm tired. It's gonna snow here in
Same.
a couple hours or ice.
Oh no, is it about to snow here too? It's
Again.
actually iced out. It's like it's white outside. It might snow here too.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're probably gonna get hit with it too. So it's supposed to like
Shit.
tomorrow's windshield supposed with the wind is supposed to make it feel like it's minus 15 or 10
Let
or
me
some
look
crap.
at the weather.
It's snowing already? No, it's not snowing already, is it?
Oh no.
No.
It's raining over here. Uh
Are you
with
warm enough for
ice.
a second snow? Yeah,
Okay.
there it is. It's ice. Yeah, see?
with ice. It's a rain with ice. Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah.
Like, what the
Uh,
fuck?
I can't wait to get out of here, Izzy. Like, Izzy, you should literally start considering getting down. I cannot wait to leave this shit. Like, oh, I hate snow. I hate all the okay. So, other than these two car accidents I've been, all my other accidents, fender benders, bumps, things that I've done with my car
Yeah.
happen in the damn snow. Like every single one, slid, hit a railing, slid, hit another car. I
You know
hate snow
what?
so much.
All of my car accidents happened when the sun was out.
Okay, then you know
I
what?
have
Stay,
no excuse.
move further up north. Go where it snows
I
all the
used to live
time.
in Massachusetts.
Oh shoot, for real?
Yeah. I never slid on like, I actually
Did
had one time that I actually slid on black ice, and then I pulled my e-brake, and it actually stopped the car, and if not, I probably would have gone into an accident, but that was,
look at you
like
too. Very nice. Dude, that's yeah, I mean, oh, yeah. You know what? Does Massachusetts get lake effect snow? They do.
I think so.
That stuff that stuff is fun. Lake effect snow is so fluffy. They don't cancel school for lake effect snow. Like I lived in
No.
Oswego, New York for a year, and we would get lake effect snow every week or two, and it would be like 2 feet of snow. Like 2 feet. Every 2 weeks, cars would get buried and everyone's still going out. The buses were out, kids were still going to
Mhm.
school, and it was just like super soft, fluffy snow. You could like leaf blow it off of cars and stuff. It was fun. Oswego, my sister went there for college. Yeah, yeah. My girlfriend at the time was up there. What was it called? Something Tech. It was a university or college. It was like she was super smart. Like she was a chemical engineer, and she actually got a job up
Mhm.
there at the nuclear power plant. She was basically my sugar mama at the time because I just left here. I fought with my dad here. I had no income, no work. She took care of me for a year. She took care of me for a year, and then
Oh, your wife is about to get you.
oh, she knows. We broke up. We broke up because of what's that damn game? Maple Story. Fucking Maple. She fell in love with the guy on Maple Story, and they were writing like intimate shit, like really intimate shit. Like I'm talking about dirty, dirty stuff, and I was like, "The fuck is this?" And then I moved back to Maryland. I was moved. I've always been a nomad. Fucking Maple Story. So every time somebody says Maple Story, I'm like, "Fucking Maple Story." Oh man, and this shit still exists. Check my phone. Yep, I saw that already. I'm on. Yeah, all the props are limiting gold and
Gold.
everything. That's so
Javi, you're
sad.
gonna have to make a cash account.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, I
It's
actually have
time.
one. I already made one. I haven't
You
touched
can
it
do.
since I made 900 on it and then I haven't touched it since.
Yeah, so you trade gold there. That's what
I
you're
could
gonna have
trade
to
gold
do.
there. Yeah. I lived in Germantown during my high school years. Oh yeah, that's right down the street. My best friend lives in Germantown right now. All right, y'all. I'm gonna keep chit chatting. Let's do
Yeah,
the indicator giveaway.
let's
Looks like
do. Let's
everyone
do
ate
it.
some
Let's do
bread.
it.
Saw some good bread on YouTube. We saw some good bread in here. What an end to the weekend, y'all. Now let's give away some free shit. Let's give away some free shit. Let's do We're gonna do monthlies today. We're gonna do monthlies today. Feeling a little generous.
Ooh, because we hit a
Heck of a
banger
week.
on a Friday.
We had bangers on Friday. That's rare. No losses. I gotta give away monthlies. I have to. All right. First one will go out to the Discord, of course. 117. Oh, need to extend it by one. And there we go. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and then 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Sam 00583. Oh, yeah, you're a student of mine.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
you
Oh,
already
it's
have
rigged.
everything. Sam has everything already.
You're just gonna have to give him an account instead.
Oh, you're gonna throw me in like that, huh? The
Yeah.
account's for later. Wait, or do we even have an account to give away? Hold on, Izzy. I don't think we have accounts on Friday. I think Fridays are
Oh, I
no
don't know.
account giveaway day. I can't give away
Oops.
stuff I don't have. Uh, yeah, yeah, no account giveaway today, unfortunately. Let me see. Hold on. I gotta double check, triple check. Boom. Yep. Nope. We don't have. Unfortunately, no counts to give away on Fridays, y'all. So let's scratch that. That was a horrible scratch. That's like what the fox says, right?
That's what foxes. No, 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 no.
Oh my god, there's a racist version of that.
Foxy. Rah, 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 rah.
Some of you guys have probably seen it. There's a horrible version of that my freaking feed pops up because your phone listens to you. So whenever we say weird stuff and we start talking about races, your phone goes, "Oh, you want to talk about races? Watch this." There's this one on found on there that was just like, "What the fuck is this?" It had me rolling. It had me rolling. I don't know if anyone else
Oh
knows
my
what I'm talking
god.
about. Yeah, there it is.
I
Samuel knows
don't.
what I'm talking about.
I need to search for it.
It's, oh man, like what you can do on Instagram is hilarious. Look at this shit. Okay, all right, Sam. I'm gonna go on to the next one, unfortunately, because you do have all of them. You do have all of them, and we don't have accounts to give away, brother. All right. Hey, prime time. There we are. All right. Next number will be 80. Okay, awesome, Sam. Oh, Sam. Oh, it's you, Sam. Why the hell was I looking at it like it was some other Sam? I know you, brother. I was looking at it and it didn't show me your picture, and now I see your picture. Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Invictus. First day back and you get called. Oh yeah, that's right. That's why I haven't seen you in a while, bro. There you go. Look at that, right? Invictus. You got the MOT tag. Yep, you got the MOT tag. Now let's bring you in. It's a sign. It's a sign, Sam. Absolutely. Invictus 2. Come on up. Come on up. Camera on, bro. There we go. How you doing, brother?
What's
What's up?
up?
What's up? How y'all doing?
Pretty good, man. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Hey, hobby man. Much respect to you, man. I appreciate your humility and your passion for teaching. You too, Izzy. Really appreciate your passion for teaching. I really appreciate y'all.
Thank you, brother. We
Thank you.
appreciate that, man.
Appreciate you.
How was your day today?
It was good. I was at work all day, so unfortunately I didn't get to trade. Yesterday was a okay on my eval account, but my funded account, I wrecked it. I ain't gonna lie. It's still alive. It's still alive,
Okay.
but it was like
That's
my
good.
trailing drawdown right now is like $25.
Ah, one
Yeah,
micro
so
at a time.
yeah, so we'll see. But you know what I mean. I'm still learning. I'm
Yeah.
only like 2 months. I'm only like 2 months.
Okay,
If
yeah,
that,
you're fresh. Very
fresh,
fresh.
fresh. Yeah,
Yeah, man. Take your time learning, man. Don't go DGen on those new accounts. Don't like
Yeah.
try to
Lower lot
master.
sizes. Learn from
Yep.
hobby.
Yep, lower down your sizing, take it one step at a time, and don't try to blow an account in one day, bro. Don't start throwing that money away so fast. Don't make the mistakes that we wish those of us who have been in this game for a long time wish we didn't make back in the day. Like no YOLOing, size down, take your time. Don't keep feeding the system. Try to like take it out first and then play with house money later, and it feels a lot better. The mental game after you get to that point feels so much better when you're like actually spending the prop money instead of spending your own money. But
right. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell everybody. Yeah, the psychology part, the mental
yeah.
game. Like, forget even trying to get an account and all that. Just work on that mental game first, because even if you think you got the mental game, once you start getting in there and you start, yeah, it'll test you for sure.
It really
Yep.
will.
Yep,
But I
exactly.
really
Awesome, man.
appreciate the indicator and all that. I really appreciate
Absolutely,
y'all.
man.
Thank
Man, pick any of the 5 that we got. Have fun with it, and we'll see. We'll see you around. Hopefully, you have a great month with whichever indicator you decide to use. Man, open up that support ticket, get it locked in.
you. All right, sounds good. I appreciate y'all. Thank you.
All right, have a good weekend, man.
All right, peace.
Peace out.
Bye.
All right, awesome. YouTube, you're next. YouTube. All right, YouTube. I want you to spam me Jizzy. Spam me
Jizzy.
Jizzy. Spam me Jizzy. Why that kind of sounds dirty to say it that way. Jizzy me.
Jizzy me.
Jizzy. Give me the Jizzy.
Give me the jizzy. All the
Give me the
jizzy.
Jizzy. Give me all the Jizzy.
Give me all the jizzy is crazy.
Oh man. Yep. I know. We're sorry, Max. I love you guys.
No,
It's
he said
impossible.
he likes the jizzy. He
Yeah,
just
no,
said that we can't do too many sexual jokes, though.
Max likes all the jizzies. He doesn't care what kind of jizzy it is. Pause. Yeah. I mean, you just say he doesn't like the sexual joke. I mean, what? Okay, you know. Yeah. All right, all right. Now I'm gonna pick. And who do we land on? We're gonna land on Ray Geeks. Ray Geeks 1428. Ray Geeks 1428. All right, you are the winner for a free month of any indicator of your choice. Go to our Discord, open up a support ticket. Congratulations. Enjoy your weekend. All right, one more for the Discord. And then we're going to call it a day, y'all. We're going to call it a day.
Yeah.
This has been, oh, wow, nice little number. An amazing day. 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jimmy B. Jimmy B. You already got Quantum N Orb. Ooh, you get to try a new one. Jimmy B. At Jimmy B. Invite to speak. Come on up. Come on up to the east side. Y'all made who into emoji? Who's that? Is that Levin's forehead? Is that really Levin's forehead? No way.
Yep.
Oh
Hello.
my god.
Hey, Jimmy B, you got your camera?
I think I'm on my iPhone, so I'm not sure how to turn this thing on.
There should be a little camera tab. I mean, I don't use iPhone, so I don't know.
Wait, try that. So join stage. Does that go?
You're
Yes.
already in the stage. Yeah.
I think
Is
so.
that the button you got to press for the camera?
Let's try that.
iPhone does have cameras. Yes.
Can we
There we go.
request?
There you
Oh, there it
are.
is.
How are you guys?
You look like you like to play
Hello,
golf.
how are you?
I'm doing well.
You like to play golf.
He looks like
actually,
that.
actually, it's a Wilson hat. I played tons of pickleball.
Ah, there you
You know,
go.
a lot of people
All
are
right.
getting to pickleball, and I'm over here like, maybe I need to try it.
It's
Yeah,
actually a lot of fun.
in Utah, it's
Like
huge.
a lot of
There's
people.
pickleball courts everywhere in Utah. In
Yep.
southern Utah, at least. Yeah. They were
I
opening
play
up,
with
like,
I play with a ton of Tongans that come from Utah. They
Tongans.
Tongans. They're all from
Tongans?
Tonga. They're all Mormon, and they
Wow.
are amazing pickleball players.
Yeah, it's big in Utah. I'm telling you, like they're literally like they would take over old run out businesses and they would just immediately would be a pickleball arena. Like
Yeah.
I just was like, what the heck is I don't even know what it is. I just remember seeing it all over the place. So it's like I
Oh,
thought
yeah.
it was like some weird reversion of tennis. But then I kind of watched a little bit of it. I'm like, oh, it's different, but I still don't understand it. But it looks like a lot of people have fun playing it.
You know, it's something that anybody can pick up and be pretty good at if you've got any hand-eye coordination skills and all. It's so it's pretty easy game to get into. I played a fairly high level. I played tournaments and stuff.
It's matter.
Oh, nice.
I play with a guy that's he's 19 years old as my partner. I'm a little older than him, so he'll be the youngest guy in a tournament. I'll be the oldest sometimes, but we have to play at the younger level, and so it works out pretty well.
You got the experience. He's got the agility.
He's good. He's got a lot of experience. He's a good player too. I mean, he's really good.
Awesome, man.
So yeah, it's pretty good.
Bro.
Hey, I wanted to tell you guys I really appreciate everything you do for all of us. I'm very grateful. You guys do an amazing job, and I've watched all of you guys. Found you about 2 months ago, I think, and you guys are just real sweethearts, both of you.
Oh, thank you.
Nah, it's good. I'm a single dad. Just so you guys know how it is. Being a single dad, I've been raising my son by myself for the last 6-7 years, and he's just about ready to go off to college. So we're working on that. So I get it. When I hear you talk about your daughters and stuff, it just makes me, I can really feel it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I know. I was like reading the chats. I'm like, sweethearts. I'm like, we're the kind of sick-minded, pervy sweethearts.
Nah, no, I got it. But you can see, I can see the inner person there. It's pretty cool to see.
Yeah, no, we have fun on the show. We have fun.
Oh, for sure.
No holds bar. no holds bar. If it comes up, I always make a face and stuff. But no, we have a good time. But yeah, I'm big time on family. Like that's my main thing, obviously. Like that's why I'm doing this. Like that's one reason I learned what I'm learning, and why I'm so strict with my rules is because I needed to take care of the family, and
For
that's why I do
sure.
it. So,
No, I totally get it. I got to pay for college now. That's the next thing coming up. So
oh
we'll have
yeah.
an answer on that pretty quick.
Oh, for real? Like she's about to get, or is it your daughter? You have daughter?
I have son. My son. He's
He
Oh,
has a
son.
son.
Okay.
senior in high school. We've got all those applications in,
Senior.
so we'll hopefully hear pretty soon
Ooh,
where he's going to go.
awesome.
And
You wanted
yeah,
you wanted to go far? Or you wanted to stay near? What's your
he
plan
wants
on
to
that?
stay. He wants to stay close by. So
Okay.
That's
and we're in,
good.
we're in California, and he'd like to go to UCLA. He's applied there, and fingers crossed. But I live really close to UC Irvine, and then UC San Diego is his other choice. So he's looking at the
Yeah,
UC schools.
I kind of like I always think ahead, and I kind of dread that if they do ever want to go like far away, that I'm gonna be
Yeah.
like, oh no, like how
Well,
am I gonna catch up to you?
you'll
No, but now
probably have
they're going
one.
to Florida. So
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna go
exactly.
Florida.
Well, that's a great place to live. But you'll probably have one that wants to go away, and you'll have the other one that wants to be close to home.
Yeah, that's true.
Is
Yeah,
my
I need
guess
to
on
stop
that.
thinking ahead. I make myself sad thinking ahead sometimes. Like, oh, they're gonna get married one day. Oh, they're gonna go away, and then it's like I'm like, ah, I'll make myself all sad for no reason. It's
Yeah,
dumb.
that's all right. I get it. So I've been very fortunate. I'm very grateful. I've been able to coach most of my son's teams with all his friends, and so it's just kept us really close together. Been very
That's
involved in his life, and he's still very involved. Still likes me as a person and parent.
that's good.
that's the
I
most
mean, I
important
Definitely want
part.
that. Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
that's the
I mean, I
most
still get
important part.
the yep. I still get the attitude. It is what it is. But
It's natural, I think, at that
Teenagers.
age. Yeah,
yeah,
my son's all
exactly.
attitude right now too.
So you guys are in the opposite end of the world, I think, right? You're in the
Yeah,
East Coast, up
yeah,
northeast.
Yeah.
I'm
We
in Orange
actually live
County.
close to each other. Yeah.
yeah. Izzy's like
Oh,
3
He lives
hours
in
away from
Maryland
me,
and
I
I live
think.
in Virginia. Yeah.
Hmm.
oh, cool. Yeah, I've never actually been there. I think I've been to Boston once, but
I'm from
usually,
Boston.
oh, you're from
Yeah.
Boston? Yeah, I
Yeah.
went out.
Well, Massachusetts. I went to college in Boston. So
Where'd you go?
UMass Boston.
Oh, you went to UMass. Okay, cool.
Mm.
Cool.
That's a
Yep.
known school,
So
isn't it? UMass.
What?
UMass, yeah.
Yeah, UMass is. Yeah, you said you were studying law, right? Like you wanted to be a lawyer.
Yeah.
What'd you do for
Ooh.
undergrad?
So I went to two different colleges. So I started with political science, and then I did pre-law, and then I was about to take the LSAT to try to go to law school, and then I dropped out.
Ah,
And I'm a
okay.
full-time trader.
Well, yeah, that's
I mean,
good. We
isn't
all
it a
have our own.
common thing?
We all have our
I
own
went through
pathway there,
all of
right?
that.
Yeah, Max
I went
dropped out
through
of high
all of that for
school.
nothing.
Izzy dropped out of college. I almost failed high school and didn't finish college.
Yeah, I
He's
get it.
up.
I was not a good
Key.
student, but I
No.
learned how to. I learned to be a good student, but I was not one.
Yeah,
So
I'm the same with you, man. Awesome, brother. Well, it was a pleasure meeting you.
yeah, it was awesome meeting you
And
guys.
you enjoy that free month. Open up the
Same.
support ticket and
Okay.
and enjoy your weekend, man. Enjoy your weekend. Best of luck to your son. Hopefully he gets into the school that he wants to. And we'll see you next time, hopefully. All right.
All right. Well, thank you very much, and I appreciate everything you guys do for the whole community.
Bro, thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
brother. You have a great one.
Okay.
Peace out,
All
man.
right.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Awesome, y'all. Awesome, y'all.
Oh, he was so nice.
Woo. Yeah, very
You,
nice guy.
you know, it's kind of nice to see like older people joining the Discord too. That we're not like scaring them away.
Yeah, we have such a wide age demographic. I mean, from like 18-year-olds all the way up to, I think the oldest, what's old man Pat's like 80, 100? I think he's ancient. He might be over that. Who knows? He's up there. He's gonna say he's 80, but he's probably like 150. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Thank you all for joining us today's Power Hour special. It was nuts. The Jizzy show is so fucking awesome and fun. Izzy, thank you for joining me today again.
Thank
Covering for our
you.
brother Logan. Make sure you guys keep him in your minds and thoughts. Obviously, we miss him, and hopefully he gets back, ready to get into this. But we're gonna give him his time and space. Um, and also going to congratulate Lama. Congratulations to Lama and his new baby girl. Fatherhood
Yeah,
is
our
gonna
new
launch
baby
him.
llama.
Yeah, dude, little baby llama. Fatherhood's gonna launch him into this whole new world of purpose. Like I believe that, that just having that new added purpose really excels your growth. Especially for me, it did. Like for me, it was a huge thing when my son was born. I started just really, really grinding to make sure that I was able to provide for him. And then obviously now I have 3 kids, and it kept going and going and going. And I had my hiccups, I had my bad moments, but I never gave up because of them.
Damn
So
heavy. Are you about to have a fourth one?
no, I can't. We did the Snippy stuff already. I can't no more. So
You
we're
said we're
all
done. The
we're
fabric is done.
well. If it were me, I would have like 20. But they were all high risk pregnancies, so we had to be cautious. We had to be
Yeah.
cautious.
Oh man. Yeah, no,
So
3
yeah,
is a good number.
it's a good number. They're wild. The girls are crazy, but we love them to death. But yeah, I'm excited for him. I can't wait, to see, what how it excels him, because I know it's gonna do it. It's gonna push him to be better. So he's already goaded. He's already goaded as hell. So, anyways, guys, I hope everyone enjoyed today's Power Hour. It was kind of a mellow show. Well, we still had some fun. We caught some really nice trades. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. Make sure you guys take your time to get off the charts for a bit, right? And don't need to back test every single second of the day. Go enjoy some time off. Hug a
Yeah.
family friend, go
I
spend
thought
some
you were gonna
time
say
out.
hug a 3.
Yeah, go hug a tree, go kiss some grass, whatever you want to do. Go chase a squirrel. There's a lot of squirrels out there, frozen in the trees.
Yeah.
But anyway,
If
not
you guys
financial
can
advice.
go touch a
Yeah, go
go
chase
touch a
Izzy.
sea lion for me.
Izzy's a squirrel. Yeah, go talk to. Yeah, go out to the ocean. Go talk to a sea lion. Be like, or. See if they
Oh,
answer back, or if they bite you in the face. Let us know how that
oh my
goes.
god. Like guys, if you guys see a sea lion, try to clap it and see if they clap back.
Try to clap it. I
Yeah,
only
no,
think I
like because
clap.
they do like the and then they're like, "Ah."
You get.
See if they clap back. If you clap at them.
Yeah, look at my wife instantly called me out. Follow your own advice. Hey, I don't look at I play on my phone, but I don't look at the charts on Friday night or Saturday night because there's no point. I wait for Sunday. Once Sunday comes in, that thing is open. Boom, boom, boom. I'm like, whoa, what's it doing? So you have me that what you have me from now until Sunday at 6 p.m. Yeah. All right, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Izzy, you got anything to say before we head out?
Well, don't forget to tip the staff, guys. If you guys need help, we are all here. And we have all the courses, we have all the coaching calls, and all the indicators that can help you guys in your journey.
Yeah, y'all. Yeah, quantum session. There will be one next week. Haven't picked the date just yet. I have coaching, and then obviously we can't do it around the shows, but I will announce a date once I have it set in stone. It will probably be an evening after the spliffs at 6. I know we're gonna rename it. I don't know what the name is yet, but for
I
now
don't
it's
know
spliffs at 6.
either.
Yeah, so
It's specific for now.
yeah. And other than that, y'all make sure you guys follow our socials, Insta, TikTok, YouTube, like, subscribe, tickle that bell, do all that fun stuff. Um, and have a nice weekend, y'all. It was a blast. Can't wait for next
Yeah,
week.
and don't forget, Spliffs at 6 on Sunday night,
Yeah, split 6,
6
baby. All right.
p.m. EST.
Peace out,
All right,
everyone.
bye.